Programming your Dodge Challenger key fob involves smart key pairing, essential for wireless connectivity and security. For 2023-2025 models, Stellantis's Uconnect 5 simplifies over-the-air updates for key pairing, even enabling digital keys via smartphone apps. Though newer models offer straightforward programming, older ones might need dealer intervention or aftermarket adapters. Key fobs use radio frequency (RF) and Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) to communicate with the vehicle's body control module (BCM), authenticating access. Remember, always program keys in a secure environment to avoid unauthorized access. Preparation is key. Have your original or OEM replacement fob and ignition key ready. Enter programming mode by turning the ignition to on for 5 seconds, then off 3 times within 10 seconds. Press and hold the lock button on the fob for 4 to 5 seconds while cycling the ignition again. A horn chirp or light flash confirms pairing. For 2019 plus models, use the Uconnect touchscreen under Vehicle Settings, Key Fob Programming. Looking ahead, expect smartphone-based digital keys via apps like Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Biometric integration will include features like fingerprint-enabled keys. Cybersecurity advancements, like quantum-resistant encryption, will further secure keyless entry.